I can. Yeah. Okay. Let's. Is it recording now? Yeah, it's recording. Yep. Let's start.
Okay. So we are writing our first query. So you can write the select ID, comma. No, don't put the space. Yeah. Name. Description. Make it capital D. And remove this last comma from lead and click on execute.
Okay.
Okay. So description is blank. I mean, there's no data. Okay. Before that, do you know record IDs?
Yes, I know. Yeah.
15 digit, 18 digit.
Yeah, but why do we have 15 and why do we have 18?
Okay. So earlier, before the lightning came in the Salesforce, we were using the 15 digit, but as soon as we started working with the domain, so we get an option of 18 digit. Now, what's the purpose? Even the Salesforce says that you should go for the 18 digit. The reason behind is let's say and this you might have faced whenever you put some data in the Microsoft Excel, right? They make some changes of their own. I mean they will if you are writing in a capital, it will make some small in a small like this. So 15 digit ID is a case sensitive ID, and 18 digit ID is a case insensitive ID. So let's say the if something is written in a capital letter and the same thing is written in a running letter in a small letter, so both will be treated same, right? So the problem of the 15 digit ID that uh, same thing which is written in a capital letter is now we are seeing in a small letter will not be treated different. Okay. So for this, they have introduced the 18 digit ID. So can you identify the object with the, I mean, with the record ID? Can you identify the object?
What do you mean? From 00Q?
Yeah.
This is lead?
Yeah. So you have learned about it, right?
Yeah, I heard about it before, like context is 005, right?
Right.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I'm still confused about the 15 and 18 digits.
See, try practicing one thing today when you after the class.
So the 15 digit ID is case sensitive while the 18 is case non-sensitive?
Yes. So
when you say case sensitive, what do you mean?
Case sensitive means, let's say if I write the name of yours in a capital letter, right? Everything. Yeah. Let's take this your sister's name, Rana. So Rana. If I write this thing capital R, capital A, capital N, capital A, right? Then I'm writing in a running letter, small r, small a, small n, small a. So this will be treated in a different, the different things in a 15 digit ID. Yeah. Right. But in the 18 digit ID, it will be treated as a same. If let's say if I give you the $100 and I'm giving you the change of $100, then you will say that okay, I have not $200. So the the change this scenario is the for 15 digit. Okay, let's say I am giving you one chocolate, and then again I'm giving you the same chocolate but the that's the small one or a small one. So you will be saying that this is the different chocolate. This is not the same chocolate you have given me. But if
Yeah.
you are 18-digit ID me, then you will be saying, oh, you have given me the same chocolate earlier. So today, after a session, try to the work on the Microsoft Excel, and you will realize that the sometimes they I mean the Microsoft Excel change the last characters of the ID into small characters, and this was creating the problem.
Oh, so basically, let's say if I have my name RENA in capital letter, that means it doesn't matter in what do you call it? It doesn't matter
18, in
in the
18 digit.
18, but it matters in the 15 digit, right?
Right, right, right.
Okay, all right, okay. Yeah, I think it's clear now.
Okay, thank you. Now go to developer console.
Developer console, yep.
Okay, so now put some data on the description. Double click on description of any record.
If I go to the lead, you mean in Salesforce?
No. Wait. Just give me a control.
Oh, here I can write here.
Okay.
So if
And
I populate the information here, does it automatically populate in Salesforce?
I'm sorry.
If I put description here, does it automatically update this record?
Yes, that is what I'm showing you.
Yeah. Okay.
See now, just take this ID, copy this ID where I have made the changes in description.
This one.
Yeah, double click and yeah, and now yes, enter.
Oh, I didn't know that you can update. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Clear.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Now go back to the developer console. Okay. Now you can even delete the record from here. You can if let's say uh, you made some changes and you want to see the change result, so you can click on refresh grid.
Okay.
Okay. All right. So if you are writing any query, always for the standard fields, always use the field name. For the custom field, use API name. Okay.
Okay.
And this you have to copy always, because otherwise if you are writing, you are typing and seeing the field name or API name, so that may create the error for you. So this is the best practice, always copy and paste.
Yep.
Okay. Now okay, go to the Salesforce UI, and I need to make some changes in the record. Okay. Now okay, so click on the change the company name. Yeah. And yeah, wait. uh, make it as Ranas. No, not like this. Okay, give me a control. Yeah, just a minute.
You don't like my name?
Okay, so this is the I'm showing a relationship. Okay, like this belongs to this. Okay, now if I have to use in my query that I want to get only that record whose company name is Renas. Okay, so go to the before that, let me show you how to.
The API name.
Yeah, API name.
I'll show you something cool. You see this? This is an extension,
Yeah, extension.
in Google.
Yeah, extension. Yeah.
Where I don't know, she showed it to me the other way. Yeah, so this is the API name company.
Yeah, you can. Yes, you can take the help from here. Yeah. But some companies do not allow to use the extension, so that's the reason I may.
Yeah, I go here to fields and then
Yes,
I
make
will
a purchase
take
of.
the field. This is the API name for custom field. It's here for these. It's up.
Right. Right. And
Yeah, yeah. I've been working on creating custom fields like in May. Yeah.
So, have you created the field dependencies?
What do you mean field dependencies?
Making a field dependent on another field.
I don't remember we did this. No.
Okay, I will tell you this topic.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, go to the developer console, and after description put comma and paste that field name.
Which
After
field name?
description.
After description.
Yeah,
Okay.
because we want to see the result as well. Okay, put comma. Yeah. Now after lead, write where. Okay. Yeah. Now paste here company. Paste here. Put equal and make it string.
What do you mean by string? Like just.
Let me tell you. Just a minute. No. Wait. Yeah. This is fine. This is fine. Now wait. Now give me the control. To make anything as a string, we have to put in between this. Now, because we have the Renas, so to get the correct query, I have to write it like this. Now click on execute.
Why did you put it? Why did you put this exclamation mark like this mark?
I will tell you. Okay, you are getting the result.
Yeah.
Now, so let's say if a scenario comes to you and you have the data in any field similar to this, let's say that this plan or this pen belongs to this one, such kind of scenario. So you have to write the SQL query in this particular syntax. Now, if you will not use this thing, just a minute, let me remove it, and then you will get the error. See, unknown error parsing query.
Is it because there's this one, the exclamation mark, so we need to put that one?
Yes. Whenever you will, I mean the you will be using in a where clause, and to make sure that you get the right result, your query should work fine, you have to make the changes in this syntax only.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Any doubt?
No, this is clear. I just want to copy this on the Microsoft Word and add my note. Yeah, you can continue.
Okay. Now, let's say you have to check whether, I mean, for example, the scenario,
Sorry?
you want to get the all the description, you want to get the all the leads. Hello?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay. So you want to get all the leads whose description do not contain any data. Okay. The first scenario. So description is a text type field,
Mm-hmm.
and let's say you have another scenario that you want to get all the, yes, you are right.
Why it didn't work?
Okay. Description from description. Okay, try executing now. No, it will give an error. It says not equal. You have to put this estimate sign before equal. Yeah. Description company name error. This description cannot be filtered. Okay, description is a rich text area, so that's the reason you cannot use in a filter condition. You can
Mm.
use any other field.
Yeah, okay. So I
For
can use
example, company.
company. Yeah, okay.
So
So,
for the text or
mm-hmm.
for the the number, you will use null.
Okay.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Now let's say you have to check the Boolean result.
Mm-hmm.
For example, you want to check that, okay, if this checkbox is checked or
Mm-hmm.
if this checkbox is not checked,
Mm-hmm.
then how to use our SOQL. Then do you have any checkbox?
No, I have yes, no here.
No, this is the simple pick list. I will be telling you. I
Yeah,
want.
no, I don't have a checkbox. Do you want me to
Okay,
create a
can you create?
checkbox?
Yeah, create one checkbox. So, do you know the FLS, field level security?
Yeah.
Okay, and if I click on the read only, then what will be?
I will not be able to edit the field.
Okay, so you have the checkbox now, and okay, so they put the field API, yeah, here. Yes. See, okay, equal, equal, yeah, true.
Equal false. Yeah, because we don't have value for it, right?
But we are just playing with the SOQL, so you can write true or false according to your need. If the
Yeah.
data will not come, we will understand that yes, we don't have any data.
Mm-hmm. So yeah, let's just drag this one. And then we put where the checkbox equal true.
Hmm.
Yep, it's clear.
Now, if you want to get the result, let's say this checkbox is not marked as checked, then you will be writing false to get the record.
Mm-hmm. Prashant, I have a question. We will be learning visual force as well, right?
See, if you want to learn the Visual Force, I will be. But since the Salesforce is not providing any sort of the updation, and they are even Mark Benioff has said that only the running projects on a Visual Force they will be getting the support. No updations, no the interest of Salesforce to work on the Visual Force. They have the new technology that is the lightning, and Lightning have their own benefit.
Yeah.
So I will recommend learn Lightning instead of Visual Force. But if you want, then we can discuss.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. We can discuss it later. No problem. Yeah. Let's continue.
Okay. Now you have the pick list, right?
Pick list. Yes. It's called. Let me just check. Pick list field is called primary. Yeah.
Primary. Okay. Now we will be working on the pick list,
Mm-hmm.
and we will be working with in a two different ways now. Okay. So now,
Mm-hmm.
okay, take the API name of this. Okay.
Yeah, I took
And
it.
now put the any of the pick list value, that yes or no. Okay. No. Make it a string.
Okay.
Okay. Now one more thing. Wait.
Yeah.
One more thing. After yes,
Mm-hmm.
put or. Okay. Now paste the API name. No, not this way, not this way. And always, don't write the API name. Always make a practice to copy and paste. Okay.
Okay.
Now,
Yeah.
now put the equal sign, and in the same format, put no.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Execute.
Yeah, I did execute.
So you don't have any data with the no.
Yeah, it doesn't seem there's data with no. I created this field long time back when she was teaching me, I think. 1 second.
Okay. Now execute.
It's not doing anything when I execute.
Just a minute. Oh, wait.
Mm-hmm.
After the company, put this field primary underscore C with comma, and then you will see the result.
After what?
After company,
Yeah.
put
Oh,
comma.
I need to add it here.
Yeah. Then only you will be able to see the result.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
See, the first one is no.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. So we were not using this API name, so that's the reason we were not able to see the changes.
Mm-hmm.
Right now, see. Uh, Now understand one thing. If let's say our pick list have the 4, 5, or 7, 8 values, and we have the same kind of scenario, right?
Mm-hmm.
Where we need the every record with the our pick list primary underscore C,
Mm-hmm.
all the values, right? So we will putting in the same way, or then third value, then or fourth value, or fifth value, right?
Yeah.
It's a lengthy thing. It's a lengthy process.
Mm-hmm.
So instead of making this as a lengthy, we have in operator. And in operator makes our job easy. Okay. Now where primary underscore C,
Mm-hmm.
after this, remove everything.
What here?
Yeah.
Here?
No.
Oh,
Keep no. After the primary underscore C
yeah.
equal yes or primary underscore, remove this thing.
Okay.
Keep this primary, no problem. Okay, now write the primary underscore C.
Mm-hmm.
Now give space and write capital IN.
What does it mean?
I will tell you.
Mm-hmm.
Give a bracket,
Mm-hmm.
then in a string write yes.
Right what?
Yes. String, make it a string.
Mm-hmm.
put a comma, then in a string write no. Okay, close this bracket, execute it.
Yeah.
Right. So the purpose, if you want to see the the fresh uh, result, you can close this lead at the rate 9:24 p.m. You can close this, that window.
This one?
Yeah. Okay. Now click on execute. Click on execute. Okay. So this is actually helping you to get the same result which you are expecting to get it, by using OR operator.
Oh, okay.
Okay. And you need not to write that primary underscore underscore c this value then or this value, or so this will be the lengthy. So this is the short and a best way.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Now, okay, do you know the polymorphic relationship?
What? No.
Polymorphic
No.
relationship.
No.
Okay, go to Salesforce UI. See and scroll down. Scroll down. See here, open activities, new task, new event. Right?
Do you want me to write?
No, I'm saying that this is the the new task, new activity, and this is together is known as activities, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
So you will find out the same thing in every object. And in the custom object, you have the option of making it as a child object of the custom object record. When you create the custom object, there's a option allow activities.
Okay.
Remember?
Yeah.
Yes. So the task and event is the task and event are the objects which actually uh, helps you, which in which you can create your some task and event, and you can make a someone take care of those tasks and event. You can assign them, and these objects have the multiple parents. So that's the reason they are known as polymorphic relationship. Okay, now go to setup.
They are called polymorphic.
Yeah.
So 1 second before. So they are called polymorphic relationship in Salesforce because they have more than one parent.
Multiple parent.
Okay. Because they have multiple parents. What do you mean by multiple parents?
With the multiple parent means that the whatever the standard or even the custom object you will create, you have the in the custom object you have the option of making the activity means, that is the task and the event, as a child. I will tell you, I will show
Yeah.
you. Go to setup.
I did.
Okay, now on the search, type activity. Okay, now wait. Now open test field in new tab.
Okay.
Okay, now just scroll down and see who, field name who.
Where is it? Yeah.
Now
Okay.
come down, and after the 2 3, okay, after the 3 more field, there's a what.
What? Yeah.
Okay. So for this particular object, if you want to access your parent object ID or some data, then you use who or what. Who you will use for lead and contact only, and what you will use for any other object, account, opportunity, contract, cases, whatever.
So who we will use it for contact and leads, and what we
Only.
will use it for everything?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. So we will be writing now one polymorphic SOQL query. So go to the developer console. Okay. Now select ID, comma name, comma description, and after this, remove everything from the
Remove the.
company. Yeah. Now
Okay.
put the who.id. No, wait. Who will be in running only capital W, and that's the reason I am saying that copy the field name from the Salesforce UI. Yes. Okay. Dot ID. Okay. Comma who dot name, or sorry, who dot type. I want to show you the object name. Okay. Make the capital T. Okay. Comma what.
What?
Yeah. What. Copy
What?
from the copy from the Salesforce UI.
I think it's the same. Yeah. What? It's the same. Yeah.
Okay. Dot ID, comma what dot type from test.
From where?
Test. T A
S.
T A capital T A S K.
Task. Okay.
Yeah. Execute. Okay. The error you're getting. Okay. So remove this field name. Remove this field name. Okay. Execute. So you don't have any I mean it may test. Okay, so let's create 2-3 tests now, and go to the, okay, yes, yeah, go to the lead object and create the test.
You know now the meaning of malak, right?
I'm sorry.
You know now the meaning of malak, correct?
Yes, I know. Yes, so you are from which country?
I'm I'm a mix of Lebanese and Palestinian.
Okay.
But Malak is an Arabic name, but and in US they don't know how to say it, so it's like it's actually angel in English, but Malak is in Arabic. When you say an angel in Arabic, it's called Malak.
Okay.
Okay, so I created two. I came to US just this year. My sister have been here for a while. Yeah.
Okay, so these is sufficient. Let's try to see the result on our developer console. Click on execute.
Okay, I did. Let me close this one and try a new one like you showed me. Okay.
Okay. Now understand it very carefully. See, select ID. So ID. No, wait. Select ID. Okay. So ID is giving you the task object record ID. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Now description is blank. Okay, no problem. Then who.id. Now I told you that who we will be using for the lead and contact.
Mm-hmm.
So here you have created the tasks on lead object. So it is giving the parent ID that okay, this task belongs to this particular parent lead.
Okay, so if I create the task on the contact, it will know this is related to the contact.
It will be showing the contact as well.
Okay.
You can try.
How do I try it?
Create the task on the okay. Do one thing. Create two tasks on the contact, two tasks on the account, and then you will see. And don't worry, take your time. Just understand the concept. You should have the understanding with the concept. Like if somebody after this class, asks you to write something, you should be able to.
Mm-hmm.
If I'm not in a hurry more than why you should be, in hurry.
It's my first time someone asks me to take control and work. Usually I watch and I will be sleepy.
See, if I will be taking the control, so you will be just sitting and you will be listening. Now you are doing practically, then I'm sure that at least the 15% of the total teaching you will be getting in your mind.
Yeah. Okay. So where is the object account? Oh, it's here. Yeah.
The first one.
Mm-hmm. But by the way, my sister was asking me, do you usually do contract work? Because she knows people she can bring for you contract jobs.
I have a team of the 5 people, so we do work on the as a freelancer as well.
Yeah.
Okay,
So
now go to developer console and click on execute. No. Okay.
so
Now
the what idea?
the first two record, first record is of the contact. You have created the task.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and you are getting the parent contact name.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Now you have created the two tasks on lead. So you are getting the in a second and third row, you are getting the task with the
Mm-hmm.
parent lead.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Now the fourth one is again a task, and that's on the different contact. So you are able to see the contact as a parent, right?
Yeah.
But wait. But in the last two, you created the task on account.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So now understand with this figure, uh, you have created the task on lead, contact, and account. So for the lead and contact, we are using who. So
Mm-hmm.
who dot id is giving you the parent with parent object id.
So this is the ID for the contact or for what?
Contact.
Yeah. And this is the ID for the lead that the who is bringing from. But what
Yes.
is this ID? This is the task ID. Yeah.
Task ID.
Okay.
Task
Yeah, it's
ID.
clear. Yeah. Okay. It's clear. So
Okay.
who it's related to contact and lead, and what is related to any other? Does the what work on the opportunity as well or no?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
On any
Okay.
object. See,
Mm-hmm.
but if you will make the task or event on
Mm-hmm.
opportunity, okay, then it will be coming in the what dot id and what dot type.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now instead of the task, let's work on event, and we will get the same kind of the result for the event as well.
Okay. From event.
Create some record for the event.
How old are you, Prashant?
I'm sorry.
How old are you?
I'm 28.
You're so young. You should have your own company.
Sorry.
You should have your own company.
Uh, Actually, none of my family member is from business. Everyone is from defense.
Yeah.
So I don't have any idea how to do business.
You should. You should try, like, you know what works a lot here? You should create your own website and have courses, and work just simple website and have courses, and just then have people come and just subscribe to be able like to like um, to purchase like a study course, and have stuff like, for example, for exams, like practice exams, that you will get a
Mhm.
lot. I can ask my sister. She's been here for a long time, so she can tell us like what do you need to do. But a lot of people
Sure,
here
sure,
just look for study courses and look just to practice on exams. So you should do something like this. Just a simple website. You can do a lot from it.
sure. So I will take your advice and the help.
Yeah. So let's see here. Let me just close this one.
So
Okay.
now, see, you have created the event. So for the same thing, the event, you are getting the parent, lead, and
Mm-hmm.
account.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah.
So for the task and the event, you will be using who and what to refer parent.
Mm-hmm.
Now, if the parent is the lead or contact, you will be using who. For the other object, you will be using what.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay.
Now we have some comparison operators in our SOQL.
Mm-hmm.
So if you want to write it down, you can write it. Like you have already used equal, not equal, right? In
Mm-hmm.
operator,
Mm-hmm.
greater than, less than.
Yeah.
Okay. So now let's write different query.
Let me try writing it. Tell me what you want to write.
Okay.
What's the criteria? What's the requirement?
Of the requirement of.
What do you want me to write? Like what query? Let me
So
try
I
writing.
see if you want, because you have used the equal, not equal, in operator, right?
Yeah.
So in operator actually makes your job easy as compared to the using or.
Mm-hmm.
So this way, I will be me telling you some more operators. So if you
Mm-hmm.
want to list down these operators somewhere,
Mm-hmm.
then you can.
I already did. I'm already, you see, I'm taking notes.
Oh, okay, okay, okay.
Mm-hmm.
Now we have the one more the type of the query, that is semi joins and anti joins.
Mm-hmm.
But Frankly speaking, I do not, they prefer using the semi-join or anti-join. I may, instead of using this, I may want to use the parent to child and child to parent query.
Mm-hmm.
But since this is a topic, we have to understand and we have to learn,
Mm-hmm.
so that the uh, if somebody asks us in an interview, we should be able to answer it.
Mm-hmm.
Or if someone have already used this sort of the query, we should be able to understand and we should make the changes according to our need.
Yeah.
So if you want to write something about this semi-join, then you can write it.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. It's called semi-joined.
Semi-join, join, Joins.
Joins. Okay. Is it like this? 1 second. It's like this.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So you can write like semi-joins are used to enhance the functionality of parent to child queries
Mm-hmm. Yes.
and child to parent queries
Mm-hmm.
in SOQL.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Okay, and just give one heading: anti-join.
Empty joins.
Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
this is purely reverse of semi-join.
Okay.
Okay, now let's try with the the examples.
Okay.
Now, yeah, select ID, comma, name, comma, account dot name, capital N,
Mm-hmm.
from contact. Okay, where ID, sorry, where account ID
Mm-hmm.
in space in capital in, yeah, then in bracket select ID, select ID,
This is complicated. Yeah.
comma name, from no, remove this comma, from account, close the bracket and execute. Unknown error parsing. Okay, let's see where the mistake is coming. Where
What does this mean?
I will tell you just a minute. Can you do one thing? Where after the account, I mean here, let me take the control. This is giving the error. Just a minute. Let's take this. Okay, this is working fine. Then here ID in unknown error parsing. So if I will be removing this, How it is possible? Yesterday we have worked on this query where account ID. Just a minute, let me see that what error I'm getting. Mhm. Okay. Can you go to Salesforce UI and take any of the record ID?
Salesforce UI, and what do
Yeah,
you mean take?
I mean the Salesforce
Mm-hmm.
where we create the record. Yeah.
This one?
Now, no, go to account.
Mm-hmm.
Click on Edge Communication. Copy this ID from the URL.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Yeah, go to Developer Console and paste the ID here. Yeah, execute. Okay, this is working fine. Okay, so that means this query, this part of query is fine. Now the problem is in wait. It is working fine now. Okay, so see the first query. Select ID, comma name, comma account dot name from contact. This is very simple. You understood?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Now I'm putting the where condition where account ID. And you remember you have given me account ID from the Salesforce.
Mm-hmm.
So when I was hard coding it, I mean when I was putting the account ID in a where account ID equal and in the account ID, we were getting the result of only that account. That means
Mm-hmm.
account is a parent of contact. So okay, let's do one thing. Copy this SOQL query
Mm-hmm.
and paste it somewhere in your notepad or something or Word document.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Now make yes. Now remove this subquery in the bracket. Remove this. Yes.
Mm-hmm.
In as well. In as well. Yes. Put equal sign and paste the record ID as we did earlier.
Which record ID? The one that I have here?
Yeah, account ID. No, anything. This one as well. Yes. And just wait. Copy it. Just copy it. Wait. Now scroll down.
Mm-hmm.
See, we have two contacts, right?
Mm-hmm.
Now let's go to developer console and paste the ID here and execute. What is Leave giving error? Okay. So see, the account name is Edge Communication, but the you are getting the two contact IDs and
Mm-hmm.
the names,
Yeah.
which are related to one account, that is Edge Communications, right?
Correct. Yes.
Now instead of giving the single ID, what I'm doing is now paste my query, the query which I have written for you.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Now what is happening is first my bracket query will fire. this will give you all the account ID. Okay, let's say the first is, see the result we are getting. First we are getting the edge communication ID. Okay, now this edge communication has two contacts. So imagine, just imagine, give me control. Just imagine that this part of query, this part of query will execute first, and here in the highlighted section we are getting the edge communication account record ID. Okay, so based on the account ID we are getting the result of this thing, this part. Okay, so edge communication has two contact, right? First two.
Yeah.
Okay, now same way again we will get the second account ID, which is this one, Burlington Textiles, and we will get the contact. Again we about this part of query
I
will
have a
execute.
question. I have a
Yeah.
question. So let's say I just kept it like so what account ID and so and no, this will not work. So where account ID and so no, I'm confused about this one.
Okay, let me tell you. Acha. Okay. Do one thing. Remove this section of code. Remove this piece of okay. Now execute. Execute.
It does
Okay.
the same, right?
No, this, see, the result is coming same, right? But and this will come same because you are, okay. Okay. How many kids you have?
Two.
Two. So if your, okay, there's a parents teacher meeting in the school. So if the principal wants to speak to every, every parent, so the child, I mean the both of your kids will be called together, and you will be following your kids, right? It will not happen that first, if your if the principal wants to meet you, so it won't happen that first the first kid will be the asked to go, and then you will be requested to, okay, your second main kid will stay outside the principal cabin, and you will not be feeling happy that, okay, no, I don't want to leave my kid outside alone. Why I should? So in the same way, right now, the account name, because which is the parent of the contact, right, is uh, we are seeing the result of the the contact who have same parent together. Are you understanding this?
No.
No problem. No problem. Okay, remove this account.name from contact.
Okay. I'll tell you what's the confusion. Maybe it will help you. So you see that the one that like this one and this one, I like this is the first one, this is the second one. I didn't see any difference in the results between this one and this one.
I understand. I understand.
Yeah.
See, the why you are not able to see the difference is because this query, the second query, I have used to make you understand the concept of using how we use the semi-join, right?
Oh, okay, yeah.
Right, where instead of the giving the single let's say okay uh, okay, I have one more complicated query, and which is the the bigger query, but I just want to make you just a minute, just a minute.
Mm.
With the second query, I want to make you understand that how the semi-join concept work. First, the inner bracket query execute will give you one ID, and based on that ID, your main query will work.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Now write one more query. Select ID, comma name, N should be capital. Yeah. Remove comma from account where ID in bracket. Select account ID from contact where last name, last capital L, yeah, capital N, yeah, no, yeah, right, this is the right way, like space capital L I K, yeah, then make it a string A, and use percent sign, okay, and close this string and bracket.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now execute.
This is so much.
Okay, you don't have any data actually. Can you check? Okay, wait. Okay, make it J instead of A. Make it J. Yeah, now execute. Okay, now see what I'm doing is
Mm-hmm.
I am fetching the contact, right? And in the contact as well, I have the condition.
Mm-hmm.
Hello.
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay. No, the account don't have the last name.
Yeah, correct. It doesn't work. Yeah.
Okay. Now wait. Now listen. First, just have a look to the. Okay, copy this entire query. Then I will explain you one by one.
This is semi joins as well.
Semi joins. Yes.
Mm-hmm.
And what
Okay.
is the meaning of the like? I will explain you. So you have copied this thing. Okay.
Yeah, I did.
Now only keep the bracket, the query which is in bracket. Only keep that query here.
Which one?
The query in a bracket.
Just one second. Oh,
Select
okay.
account ID from contact where
So
last name like. Only
what do
this
I do?
query.
Do
Yeah, only
I
this query we will
this
be
one?
using.
I
Yes,
remove this one. Okay.
yes. Only this we will be using here.
Okay, so here we are selecting name from account where ID, select ID from, and so so this is the account ID, right?
Yes. See, what is happening is we are first getting the, I mean the first the query which is in the bracket will
Mm-hmm.
fire. We will get the account ID, and that account ID we are using in a where clause. You understanding it?
Yeah.
Okay. So what? Okay. Now answer my question. What the result you will get if only and only you will execute the query which is in bracket.
So I'm gonna get the account ID for each contact. That's why now we have edge communication. We have it one.
Right. So
Yeah.
you will get only the account
ID.
ID.
Yeah.
Right. That account ID you are passing to main query where ID in. Okay. So this clause where ID so is capturing your the account ID which you are getting from the subquery,
So
and then
if there's no contacts, it will not bring over the account.
no it will be different scenario, different way to write.
Yeah. But here, like select. So this ID is which ID?
This is an account. This is 001.
Yeah. Account.
So account.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. So you will be able to understand it. No problem. Okay. Just do one thing. Till
What
here,
what is like J, a percentage J? Yeah.
what is like?
The one that like
Yeah,
J.
yes. I will tell you. I will tell you.
Yeah.
Otherwise, there will be a lot of confusion.
Mm-hmm.
So I just use one example to show you the result.
Mm-hmm.
I will make you understand the use of like operator.
So
So do one
usually,
thing.
do you use semi-joins a lot or no?
No, I
Mm.
prefer child to parent to child to parent query.
Okay. You will teach me this, right?
Yeah, but
Mm-hmm.
since this is a topic, so we have to understand.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, so just practice the the whatever we have learned today. We will again sit tomorrow from the semi join, because I am not getting the surety that you have actually understood it, but just read it. Okay, we will start from the semi join from tomorrow,
Yeah. You
and
don't have time. You don't have time now to do another half an hour.
otherwise see otherwise it will be a lot of the confusion, and then the things will be that though we will cover the main topic, but
Mm-hmm.
that will not be giving you the more clarity.
Yeah.
So
No
that's
worry.
the reason I prefer that till the time we are able to understand the things, we should study. And
Yeah. I'm gonna follow what you're going to say to see, because I mean it. If I become a good developer and I find a good job, I'm gonna reward you.
see, when you are coming to me, it become my responsibility, and
Mm-hmm.
I will be the ensuring. Just give me the 15 days time. You yourself will be the able to write your own code.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, in 15 days you will see the difference.
Yep.
But do not try to force yourself to learn this thing on a single day,
Yeah,
because
I know.
after all we are a human and we have a
Yeah.
brain.
Yep.
Okay, so
Prashant,
practice
I'm
it.
sorry again for what happened yesterday. I feel bad.
No problem, no problem, no problem,
Yeah.
no problem.
Okay.
And forget about that thing.
Yeah.
And but do not force yourself to learn the everything. It's a until unless we are very sure
Mm-hmm.
that okay, we have the strong hold on this topic, don't
Yeah.
move ahead.
Yeah. Okay. All right.
Okay.
And if there's anything I can help you with in US, just let me know. Okay.
Yeah, sure.
Mm.
Okay, so
Okay.
practice it, and we'll connect tomorrow.
Okay, great. So same time tomorrow. I'll do my best to connect before 9 p.m. my time, but it's based on my kits, similar to today. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. All right. So
All right, thank you.
great. All right. So it's only a Friday and sorry, Friday and Saturday. It's hard for me to connect. Okay.
No problem, just inform me,
I will let you know, because also I don't have my
yes,
own laptop. I
yes,
use my sister computer, so I will let you know before. Okay.
yeah, we will
Okay.
plan accordingly.
Okay. Great. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Bye.
Bye.
Take
Good
care.
night. Bye. Goodbye.